So here I have a few common household clothing items that most of us have in our homes already that we can use to make our own masks without having to sew. It's super easy, super simple, and it's great because it's free. You can use what you already have, repurpose and reuse. So this is an old t-shirt, this is a bandana, this is a scarf or a handkerchief, and then this is like a pareo or scarf, depending how you want to use it. And then this is going to be the straps, and for me this is my swim material that I've cut into thin strips, but you can also use old leggings, old t-shirts. You can cut strips out of old t-shirts. You can use ribbon, yarn, rubber bands. Get creative. It's a pretty fun project, and it's nice because you can make a ton of masks for free. And yeah. So I'm going to start off by showing you with the bandana. So what you're going to do is take the bottom and fold up to the middle, just like that. And then same with the top, down to the middle. And then we're going to do that same thing over again. So bottom to the middle. It's kind of tricky to do with one hand, but I think you get the idea. And then top to the middle, just like that. Perfect. So that's what it should look like. So now we're going to take whatever material you're going to use for the straps and just lay them like this. So again, this is my swim material that I'm using. You can use ribbon, yarn, cut old t-shirts or any kind of old clothes. And you're just going to lie it like that. And then you're going to fold the ends over. And this part's a little tricky to show, but you're going to take this end right here and you're going to put it inside this little pocket like this. And then this is what it looks like. So I went and tucked this end into that pocket of that end. And then you can go ahead and put it on your face, and you can tie the straps like this here, and they can go behind your ears, or you can tie them together like this and it can go behind your head, whichever you prefer, whichever is more comfortable to you. And that's how you make your own face mask with things that you have. Super easy, super simple. I love it.